this is how we do it. I still enjoy washing with my hands, so this is perfect. As you can see, the sink is made like this to do your washing. So yeah, it's perfect.